A new question, which is, you know, speaking with investors, you want to talk about dry powder or what investor sentiment is. You know, have you had any discussions with, investors that you've used in your projects, and what are their kind of thoughts on where we stand and what this market's done?
I think the investors that I've spoken to, I think initially I would say, a month in, coronavirus, let's call it March, April, and May. I think in March, a lot of people didn't know where we were and, in the reopening and when it was going to happen. There was a lot of fear that then I think, in the last couple of weeks, people are realizing that, the economy might take a little bit of a hit. So I think the investors that I'm talking to are looking for the opportunities that may come up in the near future. So while they're not jumping in the market right now, I think there is some money sitting on the sidelines, and it will, present itself, in the coming months, coming year, as things start to stabilize and we start to see exactly where we are. So I don't necessarily see anxious money out there, but I do
Mm.
see patient money and money that's ready to jump in the market if a true opportunity presents itself.
I agree with that, and that's the same for the number of investors I've spoken to, where in the very beginning of this, and when the market got absolutely destroyed, a lot of guys and gals were kind of just, I'm not going to do anything. I just took a beating. I was going to invest 200, 400, something like that into a much larger project. They're just like, I'm not doing anything. Now that the market's kind of come back, that sentiment might be changed, but they may be a little bit more breathing room, saying, okay, I'm all right. And I think everybody's making shifts right now, to their asset bases and saying, okay, what type of exposure do I have? What do I want moving forward? But I think, most of the people that I've spoken to still believe in real estate.
Right.
They still know, as turbulent as it is out there in equity markets, cash flowing real estate continues to prove resiliency, and it's a better, they like that spot better in the long run than they do, let's say, the stock market or something like that. So and you know what, and those sentiments that could change. It could be 30 days from now and the market could get absolutely blistered again,
Right.
and we hit another, and we really go into a bear market and go deeper than we were before, and things change all over again. But then I think as operators, our strategies just completely change anyways.
Right.
So if you're trying to get into real estate and you want to, either you want to operate or even you want to passively invest, you have to be an operator, or you have to be an investor that works with operators that know how to make money in both up and down markets.
That's the key. It's just you can make money in any market. It doesn't really
Absolutely.
matter. People always talk about coronavirus did this to me and blah blah blah. And I was gonna. You can make money in any market. If the market's appreciating, I'm doing well. Property values are going up. I had more equity. If opportunities come, because we're hit a little bit of a decline, there's opportunities to buy there as well. So I mean, there's always opportunity in any market.